All right, so we're in phase 7, okay? Week 1, day 1. This one, it's a 3 to 4 round workout. You're gonna work in 30-second intervals, and then we've got 4 different movements that we're gonna work through, okay? So first one, if you have a band like this, a small one, you can use it. If not, don't worry about it. You don't have to have a band to do the movement, but I'm gonna demo it with a band just so you can see. So what you're gonna do, put the band just above the knees, go into your squat stance. You're just gonna bend the knees slightly, so kind of a quarter squat position. And then from here, we're just driving the knees out, okay? So from a start position, out, and try to keep your feet flat on the ground. In other words, don't roll your feet up off the floor, keep the feet flat. You're just gonna do 30 seconds of the activation, okay? Make you feel like you're dancing a little bit. So 30 seconds there. Then you're gonna rest 30 seconds roughly, and I want you to go into the next movement. If you're feeling good and you wanna push the pace a little bit, then rest 15 seconds. Just cut the rest down a little bit, okay? Now, next one, you're in this position here. So you're resting on your elbows. You're gonna raise up the left leg and reach across with the right hand, okay? So it's a cross body leg raise. Just from this elbow position, okay? So 30 seconds again, accumulate as many reps as you can, rest 15 to 30, move to the next movement, which is gonna be a scapula push up, okay? So start out plank position, all right? Then we're just depressing the upper back, okay? So the back rounds and then depresses. I'm not bending the arms. All the movement is really just coming through the upper mid back thoracic spine, okay? Last movement is gonna be a hang, okay? So most of you, I think, have some place in your house, garage, wherever that you're training, that you can hang, okay? If you have rings, then you might even use those, okay? If you don't have necessarily like a bar, you could hang from a ring position. So what you want to do is try to get it at a height where when you're up, that your feet's off the ground, okay? If not, you can of course just bend the knees. That'll just make it a little bit tougher. But all we're doing here is just a 30-second hang, okay? Now, 30 seconds could be aggressive. So if that's too much, accumulate 30 seconds. So maybe you do 2 15-second hangs or 3 10 seconds. Wherever you're at, that's fine. Break that one up because it's a little tougher. But like I said, you're gonna accumulate 3 4 rounds depending on how you feel.